Merry Christmas. Yes, hello everybody, Merry Christmas. Oh, by the way, Grinch, what are we going to build tonight? Well, tonight we are going to take this stick of wood and make it into a beautiful picture frame.
Oh, that sounds awesome. Let's get started.
Well, yeah, but first we're going to have to get this on. We're going to take and measure 2 pieces and split pictures in 2 and 10.
Well,
and then I'll lay it out.
Well, to do that, we're going to need a super, duper heavy-duty high-speed compound miter saw.
And then we want to be safe, so you're going to have to put on your safety glasses. You don't get anything in our eyes.
Well, remember, we got to get the right angles on this.
That's correct, my little elf friend. That's what we're doing there. Yes, he does. Okay, plug your ears and watch your eyes.
Wow, that's
Somebody didn't pay the electric bill.
Oh, I see. It's just crazy Christmas tree stuff.
That's why the kids love Carpenter's Kids Club.
Yeah, right here. That's why they love it.
Yeah. So now what do you think we have to do?
Well, we're definitely going to have to get this thing together, so I'm going to need the air now.
Oh man, another manual tool. We love manual tools here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now don't staple my finger. You remember what happened last week?
Oh, I took you to the hospital.
I know.
That was your fault, though.
You wash your fingers too, okay? Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. We're almost home.
Yeah, 2 more. 3 more, I think.
Don't staple the table now. Okay.
You sure had a change in heart this year.
Yes, it seems like I've had some heart trouble this last year. God is doing the work and He's healed it, and He's made it 3 times as big as still with God.
Oh, that's a great present that God gave you.
It is, and God is in to give the good gifts, and it inspired me to give a good gift to you too, my old friend.
Oh, this is a beautiful, it's going to look great on the wall with your face in it.
Merry Christmas, everybody!